Welcome. If you want to set password on the apps in the REALME X3 SuperZoom, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now you have to scroll down and go for the privacy. Here you have to go for the app log, tap to set password, and input for 6-digit password. Okay, it's common, but no matter for us. Just make it one more time. Here we got the question. You have to type whatever you want here. And click done, and here we got the list of the apps that we can lock. So I'm going to lock Facebook only. So click lock. We don't want to use the fingerprint, and right now let's check what happens right now when we lock our application. And as you can see right now we have to input the password to enter the Facebook. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.